How to send shipping confirmation in Wix Studio. So to do that, head over here to your Wix Studio dashboard, and then from in there, just scroll down until you can see in here the settings. From your settings, it should be able to redirect you to this. So just scroll down until you can see the business solution, and under that, the checkout. Head over and click on it. Now, once you have clicked onto the checkout, you can see in here this. So scroll down and you can see in here this order emails. Click onto this edit emails option. Now, from in there, it should be able to redirect you to a new site or to the new page right here. And you should be able to see their order confirmation as well as shipping confirmation. So make sure that this checkbox right here is actually enabled. You can also edit that. You can edit the title, subtitle, footer, description, and the likes. You can also preview how it will look right there, and you can edit it according to your liking. So once a customer actually orders from your shop, they will receive an order confirmation, and when you ship that particular order, they will receive the shipping confirmation automatically. So that's how you send shipping confirmation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.